Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel Wanderlust on Will. So today's destination is Ganalu Falls and it's for the second time that I am visiting this destination. If you guys remember, last year also I visited this destination. However, water wasn't there, means like sufficient or plenty of water wasn't there at falls. So I have decided like I'll come again, we'll make another video when water will be available surplus. So just day before yesterday I got a video from my friend. He told me like now sufficient water is there. So in hope of water, me and Satyajit decided to try our luck if we'll be able to see Ganalu Falls in its full flow. More than the falls, I was looking forward for this off-road trails. Anyway, after visiting Kodachadri, off-road का कीड़ा निकल गया है अभी. Last year when I came, these all were completely barren lands. So now I think it's post-monsoon. A lot of shrubs. Last time this canal was completely empty. No water was there, so we can expect water at Ganalu Falls. Oh, our luck is good then. It's full of water. So if you are coming by bike or car, you need to park them here. Look, Charisma can go anywhere.
Sunny boy, आगे हम लोग. Oh, lovely view, man, lovely view.
So there is no improvement in the trekking trail. It's that steep. Roads has not been paved up, so you need to be careful. If it is raining, now it's dry, so okay. यही बेस्ट प्लेस है. वो ना लोग वहाँ से ऐसे नीचे आके इधर फीस्ट वगैरह करते हैं. देखिए ना कितना कचरा है पूरा. So this is Ganalu Fall at its full peak. I am able to feel the spray till here. heading down near the fall to get some closer footage, but you need to be very careful. These rocks are not slippery, but they are smooth, so your legs may slip. So this one is another stream falling at extreme right corner of the falls. There are 2-3 streams. It's a small or big hill kind of thing, and water is falling down from the top of it. It's worth visiting actually if water is there. It's hardly 70 km from Bangalore. After Kanakpura nice road exit, you come straight till Kanakpura. From Kanakpura take a left towards Bhimeshwari route. So post Bhimeshwari diversion you need to come still forward till Ganalu village, and in Ganalu village ask anyone, there is a 2 kilometers of off-road trail that I recorded recently. Unlike last time, this time also I am able to see this place is completely littered up, full of plastic wrappers, glass, alcohol bottles. This thing no one can teach us. Rather than we should be cautious enough not to litter up this beautiful place. Look there, fourth has formed. Since water is dropping there continuously, it has resulted in formation of lot of forts, natural foam bath. Uphill trekking was really painful. Look how badly I'm panting. You know, I'm a lazy guy. I don't like to walk. Downhill is easy. The uphill is like too steep, so you will get tired. And as you can see, there is a swift. So yes, the hatchback also can make it to this destination. Thing is, like, you need to drive very carefully. So this is Ganalu Falls at its peak. Hope you guys have liked this content. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video till maximum. Until then, see you soon in another new destination. Bye bye.